Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1986 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift and remove your truck's grille, headlights, radiator, and core support. Cut off the factory core support mount. This part is riveted in place, so the rivet heads will need to be removed. You should not need to make any cuts on the frame rail itself. Step 3. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 4. Use the factory part silhouette to align the replacement. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part in work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, install the core support cushion, then reinstall the core support, radiator, headlights, and grille. Now, get back out on the road.